Hi all. Now I have come up with one case study in medical instrumentation, that is design constraints in medical instrumentation. So let's see what is the main objective of this case study is to analyze and understand what are the different design constraints which are there while during development of novel medical instrument, and also here we are highlighting their impact on design process and final product. Okay, here I have taken example of such medical instrumentation is continuous glucose monitoring system. We can say SGCM. What is the background of this device? Developing this device is that this particular GCM, that is continuous glucose monitoring device, is ability to continuously monitor the glucose levels in the diabetic patient, and also it will provide the timely data so that it will help the patient to manage their insulin dosage. So as a result, it will improve the overall glycemic control. So this is going to be the background, that is the empathy part of the continuous glucose monitoring system. Okay, let's see what are the different constraints while developing this continuous monitoring glucose system. So first and foremost is regulatory compliance. So irrespective of any medical device, so whatever we are designing or developing, the first and foremost challenge is difficulty to clear or pass the uh, pass the machine is that regulatory compliance. Okay, so here also the GCM system must comply this regulatory compliance, that is FDA regulation. So for to pass this regulation, it has to do so many rigorous testing, documentation, and it has to be adhere standards like ISO. So any deviation from this category can lead to delay in product launch, or even rejection will also happen. So this one is very important when we are devising medical device. Okay. Next, second one is the patient safety and patient comfort. So as I said, since we are developing a medical device, we have to be very much concerned about patient safety and comfort, because here the medical device we are going to apply or put or going to use on the patient, right? So that means the patient safety is and the comfort is very much important before developing any medical device. So here what we are developing is, here we are developing CGM, that is the continuous glucose monitoring system. That is one kind of wearable device. So this device we are anyway going to put on the patient or going to apply on the patient's skin or body over a period of time, right? So it means that then we have to very much focused on selecting the material so that it will not cause any irritation or the allergic reaction. And also the design constraint is very it's another more challenging part, since the patient is going to carry this device over their body, so it should be lightweight, and it is so that it will not interfere their user daily activities. Third one is accuracy and reliability. So, since it is a medical device, the accuracy and reliability is very much important. So, we should not compromise these characteristics, because it will going to affect the people treatment and the quality of life, right? So, and also the achieving this accuracy and reliability of in medical device, especially wearable device, is very much challenging, because the so many factors will going to entrap this accuracy and reliability, going to affect this accuracy and reliability. Such factors are like physical activity, temperature changes, individual variation in skin properties. Okay, so these factors mainly will affect the sensor accuracy. So if the sensor accuracy is being affected, the output from the wearable device will affect it. So then such design consideration must mitigate these factors. Next one is the power consumption, battery life. So as I said, the diabetes management is not it's not like a short term management, it's a long time management. So the patient has to wear for continue for over period of time to have a continuous monitoring. So it means that we have to be very focused on battery life. So we have to have think how what are the steps, the things we have to concentrate so that the battery life can be extended. So then according to that, we have to choose the components like low power components, and we have to do optimization of algorithms and so on. Next one is data security and privacy. Okay, so data security and privacy again, it's very important medical device, since the medical device collecting the very sensitive health data. That we need to have incorporate so many encryption protocols, and we have secure data transmission and user authentication in order to protect patient information. Next one is the usability and user interface. Okay, so since we are going to develop the device for the patient cause, the patient, especially elder patient, the device should be user friendly. It will not like easily the elder people can be operated. It has to be designed in such a way, so that the people can without any discomfort, they can be easily operated. Make it used for a long time. So in that aspect, the machines should be devised in large scale, and readable display should be in proper manner. It have proper navigation so that the people have a proper follow up of the device. Yeah. Next one is the environmental condition. The environmental condition here, it's speaking about the resistant to water, dust, and range of temperature, and humidity and physical impact. Because this device is going to wear on the patient. The patient will going to expose so many environmental condition. They are going to do their own physical activities. In that case, these environmental condition will not affect these properties. And cost constraint is again one more factor, because these patient is challenging one, because this type of medical device should be affordable to all type of patients. So it should be cost effective, so that all the patient can easily avail this particular device to have a proper management. Okay, so while making this cost effective equipment, we should not have any compromise in the quality and performance of a GCM also. So we have to look into in that aspect, and we have to make affordable medical device for the public use. So as a conclusion, the medical device design and development, it's not that big. It's very much big role. It's quite challenging to have a to develop any medical device, since it focusing on improving patient care and transforming healthcare delivery. So such medical design, we have so many design constraints and challenges, difficulties. We can overcome these design constraints and challenges through a proper systematic and collaborative approach with the innovators, engineers, and healthcare professionals. So as a whole, the convergence of innovation, technology, and regulatory compliance is shaping the future of healthcare and making the medical device design and development a vital pillar of progress. Thank you.